Picture this. It's a dark, stormy night, you're alone in the middle of nowhere, and suddenly, your car refuses to start. Panic sets in. What could be causing this nightmare scenario? Here are 10 bone-chilling reasons why your car might be playing dead when you need it most. Few things are as unnerving as being stranded with a car that won't start. The reasons behind this automotive horror story can range from simple to spine-tinglingly complex. Let's delve into the depths of vehicular terror and uncover the 10 most chilling culprits behind your car's refusal to roar to life. The dreaded dead battery. Your heart sinks as you turn the key and hear nothing but silence. A dead battery is a common specter haunting car owners, especially in cold weather or if you left your lights on. But beware, for a corroded or damaged battery terminal could also be lurking in the shadows, sapping your car's life force. Ghostly ignition switch. Sometimes the ignition switch itself can become possessed, refusing to engage and leaving you stranded in a state of bewilderment. A faulty ignition switch can cast a dark cloud over your travels, rendering your attempts to start the car futile. Fuel system phantoms. Imagine the terror of realizing your car is thirsty for fuel, yet the tank is bone dry. A haunted fuel pump or clogged fuel filter can also spell doom for your engine's aspirations to spring to life. Eerie electrical gremlins. Electrical issues are the poltergeists of the automotive world, causing all manner of inexplicable malfunctions. From faulty wiring to haunted fuses, these spectral disturbances can leave you scratching your head and reaching for the flashlight. The curse of the alternator. A sinister alternator can cast a dark shadow over your car's electrical system, draining the battery and plunging you into darkness. Beware the signs of an alternator on the fritz, lest you find yourself in the clutches of automotive despair. Terrifying timing belt troubles. The timing belt is the beating heart of your engine, and when it fails, the consequences can be catastrophic. Imagine the horror of a snapped timing belt, leaving your engine in a state of eternal silence. Haunted starter motor. Your car's starter motor should be the herald of its awakening, but when haunted by malfunction or failure, it becomes a harbinger of dread. A clicking sound or ominous grinding can signal the presence of a malevolent starter motor haunting your vehicle. Ghostly immobilizer issues. Modern cars are equipped with immobilizer systems designed to thwart would-be thieves, but these electronic sentinels can sometimes mistake you for the intruder. A malfunctioning immobilizer can lock your car in a state of spectral stasis, leaving you stranded and bewildered. Spooky sensor failures. Sensors throughout your car serve as its eyes and ears, but when they fail, your vehicle can become blind and deaf to the world around it. Whether it's a malfunctioning crankshaft position sensor or a haunted oxygen sensor, these ghostly failures can leave you stranded and spooked. Cursed computer glitches. Modern cars are more computerized than ever before, and with that comes the specter of digital gremlins wreaking havoc on your vehicle's systems. A glitchy engine control unit or haunted onboard computer can send shivers down your spine as you struggle to diagnose the problem. Facing a car that refuses to start can be a nightmare scenario, but armed with knowledge, you can banish these automotive demons back to the depths from whence they came. Whether it's a dead battery or a haunted fuel pump, remember that every problem has a solution and every curse can be lifted. Don't let your automotive nightmares haunt you any longer. Subscribe to our channel, share this chilling tale with your fellow car enthusiasts, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for more bone-chilling automotive content. Together we can conquer the darkness and keep our cars running smoothly.